What's your next embroidery project? I'm Julie from Clever Poppy, and no matter whether you're an excited newbie or a super confident maker, we have a range of gorgeous embroidery patterns for you to choose from. From our super popular Excited Newbie patterns, so for example bunny blooms and blooming lovely, to our confident maker patterns, the festive alphabet, happy designs for clothing, and hanging planter, all the way to my most popular patterns, the florist, winter wonderland, and the gardening bee, which are perfect for super confident makers. Our pattern kits come with all the supplies you'll need to make your chosen pattern, including the pattern guide that includes the template, stitch guide, and step-by-step recommendations and tips as you make the pattern, the fabric to stitch your pattern on, the thread bundle, and a choice of display hoops. Very lovely pattern, explained in clear steps. It's like Julie takes you by the hand and shows you how it's done. Very easy to work with as a beginner like me, thank you. This design is very cute and fun to stitch. Wish my garden looked this good. Thanks for the great design. Every letter of the alphabet is exquisitely designed. Once you've completed one, the rest are easy as each letter contains the same floral designs. For me, they stitched up pretty quickly and I'm looking forward to making more as gifts for Christmas. To grab your next pattern, just head on over to the Clever Poppy shop today. Just click the link that's somewhere around this video and you'll be taken straight to where all of our patterns are available. See you soon!